Hello and welcome to Section 6, the Capital Asset Pricing Model. Here we have Video 6.1, the section Overview. Let's run through what we can expect in this section. As usual, we'll start by looking at the package used throughout this section. In this case, it is the Performance Analytics package. This package is very good when dealing with the CAPM model. Videos 2 and 3 will go over risk. Video 4 will introduce the CAPM model, as well as touching on other factor models such as the Farmer-French in Video 5, finishing off with some empirical testing on the CAPM model. The next video will be an R warm-up, Introduction to Performance Analytics. An R warm-up, Introduction to Performance Analytics. In this video, we will look at the installation of this package, as well as walking through the vignette and some examples of the functions that we will use throughout this section. Here we have the overview or the vignette of the Performance Analytics package. This package includes econometric tools, perfect for performance and risk analysts. This package includes econometric tools perfect for performance and risk analysis. It is therefore ideal for analyzing time series data that is formatted into an XTS object. We'll be using this for a purpose of risk analysis. Examples of functions that we'll use is the return read function, which allows us to upload and read a CSV file in R. We can then perform analysis on the data from this CSV file. We will be taking index-style data resembling Portfolio Manager's real-world performance using the Data Managers function. From here, we can calculate the various types of returns. This is important when dealing with the CAPM model, which you will later see. There are various CAPM modeling functions. You can see here a list of these that we'll be using in the R console. As usual, we'll first start by clearing the R environment and setting our directory. Once we have the file in R, we can look to install and load the package. As always, I'd recommend loading the help function on the package. Here you can take a read of the description. As mentioned, this package entails various econometric tools, but we will be focusing on the CAPM model. So let's search for the CAPM model. As before, you can see a number of functions that can be used. These allow us to create the various inputs for the CAPM model. For example, we have the beta here. This beta is essentially a risk metric for the covariance between our asset and the market. These functions are very easy to use and require minimal inputs.